Check out this Dodge 2019 Grand Caravan SXT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 40GB hard drive W/28GB available, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio, 430, air conditioning, front dual-zone AC and rear air conditioning. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.